Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show to share a YouTube video on Tumblr social media platform. So first of all, we need to set up Tumblr account. Make sure that you have installed a VPN extension. Here you can search for browsing VPN extension. Then you can open the Chrome store. After that, you can install this extension free of cost. For example, if I try to open Tumblr, then it will not work. Okay, now I need to enable this VPN. Here you can select the country and after that reload this website. And now we need to create a free account. Simply click on sign up button. Account is ready. Now let me go back. Open YouTube channel. On the top right corner, here you can see my channel logo, YouTube Studio. And then on the left side, click on content. So these are some videos that I have uploaded. Then let me copy any of the video link. Go back and click on add link. And then add the link here. Insert. Scroll down. And then click on post now button. You can add the tags